Okay, our next award is the TCT Hardware Award, Polymer Systems 2022. For the second of our 2 hardware awards, the Polymer Systems Award, we are looking for 3D printing or additive manufacturing technologies which push the boundaries of polymer processing, bringing innovative improvements or entirely new technologies to the table. So the quality of the entries was so high in this category that the judges chose not 1, but 2 highly commended projects. The first highly commended project in this category is Syrian Tech Lead Cubicure. Well done, team. Congratulations. And the second highly commended project in this category is Massivit 10,000 Tech Lead Massivit 3D. Good stuff. But for our winner of the TCT Hardware Award Polymer Systems 2022, we have MicroArch S2.30 Tech Lead Boston Microfabrication.
This allows you to nurture strong I don't want to say too much other than thank you to 4D Biomaterials, 3D GBI, Create Education, and everybody for voting us. Second 2 years in a row, we've won.